This is how to make money posting links online in Nigeria. It's going to be a step-by-step demo video. I will use one popular Nigeria website to do this demonstration. Let me show you why this is the best way to make a lot of money online today. This is over 22,000 Nigerian naira. I will be withdrawing this money right now direct to my bank account in Nigeria from one of the best websites. All you need to do is to click withdraw. For almost 3 days now, in the beginning of the month, this is the total amount I've earned, and this is the amount I'm going to get as I process this withdrawal right now. So I will paste this amount. I can withdraw 22,863 Nigerian naira. I will click withdraw, and you can see here is my payment proof. You can see withdrawal processed after 24 hours. You can see this is the credit alert I received as a result of this payment in my bank account, 22,863 Nigerian naira. This is over 7,000 from the same website. This is over 5,000. This is over 3,000. This is over 2,000. You can see this is over 4,000. This is over 4,000. This is over 8,000 from the same website. And you can be making this money like this every day if you do it right the way I'm going to demonstrate in this video. If you follow my step-by-step method, you will get this kind of result. This is $4. This is $5. This is as a result of posting links of this website. This is another $5. I have so many of such on a daily basis from this website. This is another platform that I post link for on a daily basis. This is $5. This is $10. This is $10. This is another $5. I have many of them from this platform. This is another platform with over $57 made for posting links for this platform. This is another website that I promote regularly. You can see this is over $64. This is another $20 that I've already cashed out. This is another $21 cashed out. This is another $22 also cashed out. And I have other accounts for this particular website. You can see you can make free money posting links online. It is important you watch this video to the end. You will also get to know 15 other websites that I post their links on a regular basis and how much money you can make. The first thing you need to do is to identify those social media platforms and the tools that you will need to use for effective posting of links that will make you money online. Let me show you. For you to have a good result that really works, the first thing you need to do is to create the following social media platforms. The first platform is LinkedIn. You can see Ask JOFA. You can put your contact. I will show you how you will use it. You can see this is my Facebook. You can upload a similar banner. You create your Facebook pages and groups. You can have multiple of them that you can use to post your link effectively. You can also have Pinterest page. Quora is another great platform that will give you a lot of audience when you are posting links online. You can also have Twitter page, and the next important social media platform that you can have is Medium. I will show you exactly what you need to do on each of these platforms that will be effective and convert so that you can start making money immediately. You can watch videos on how to create your profile page on all these social media platforms. It's very simple. You can use Canvas. This is Canva. It is free to use. Just type the name of social media platform and you will see a sample that you can adjust. You download and you upload them on this social media platform. Another important thing that you need to have, though it's not compulsory in this video, is your website. And you can almost get website for free. I say almost because it is so cheap to have your own website. This is my top recommended hosting, that is Hostinga, where you can get your website very fast. And look at the cost of the website here, just $2.49 for every month. And you don't have any excuse that you can't get Nigeria card to make payment again. No, the cost of the website will be nothing compared to the amount of money you'll be making, and you don't have an excuse that you're having card problem in Nigeria. No, let me show you why I said that. This is a video I did recently about the best dollar card that you can use for any payment online internationally. If you use this card, you get free sign-up bonus of $5, and there's another additional $3 that you will get via the ATM when you are loading the card. So with these bonuses, that is even enough for you to make the payment for your website, and you can use this card on that platform. The link of this video will come out here. you can watch this video later. This is the best card for dollar payment in Nigeria as of today. It is very cheap and very easy to create your account. I also did a video on how you can create your account with this card. You can watch this video later. Another thing that you need to know how to use, which is very simple, is ChatGPT. And similarly, you can also learn Gemini. That is Google version of ChatGPT. It is very simple. You can watch videos about it. I will show you different type of prompts that you can use that will earn you money posting your links on these social media platforms. At this stage, I will take you through step-by-step process of how to post links that will work for you using a special Nigeria website. Let me show you. You can see get paid for posting adverts every day on your social media platform. The first thing you need to do for this particular website that I'm using to demonstrate is to sign up to this platform. As soon as you use the link below the description of this video, you get to this page. You put in your name. This is an indication that I'm the one that sent you to this platform. Ask JOFA. Then you click sign up. You can see earn up to 100,000 monthly in sales commission. The first requirement to achieve this is for you to make a payment of 1,000 naira one-off. That is the only money you will ever pay on this platform. You won't need to pay any other money again, except you have a product that you want people to help you advertise. But for you to make money posting your links online, you only make a payment of 1,000 Nigerian naira one-off. For you to make 100,000 naira monthly, the number one way is this method. These two methods will only earn you a little. This is the option that will help you earn 100,000 Nigerian naira monthly. All you need to do is to click here. This option will help you to promote people's products and services. As you can see, these are different products and services that people are promoting on HAWKIT. Your objective is to help promote these products and services for people on your social media platforms. There are so many of them, so you are going to pick the one you like to promote. I'm going to show you what to do. You have so many of them. You just load more, so many of them. But if I were you, you make sure you target something like this. This is over 200,000 naira, and you are going to get commission on every sales you make. What you are going to be doing is to resell this product for people. So you click resell this product. So for you to resell this product, you have to generate your link. That is your reseller link. Just by clicking here, you are going to get a commission of 20,000 naira. That is 10%. Look at it. The reseller commission is 20,000 naira per se. So I'll be taking you through how to promote this product to make this sales in Nigeria. You will need to generate your link by clicking generate reseller link. For this product, each reseller link that you generate is for each of the products on this platform. So for every product you want to promote, you must generate the reseller link. We'll be promoting this product to make this sales. You can as well choose any other product. I'm just using this as a demo. So the first thing you need to do is to generate your reseller link. You click generate reseller link. This is my reseller link for this product. You can see the product we are promoting is HP Core 15. These are the product features. You can see this is your link for this product. This is the product image. You will need the image to upload on the social media platforms as you share your link. I will show you. This is product image 2, product image 3. So you have so many images that you can download. So the first thing that is important you need to do, you download the images, you copy these text messages, details about the product. This one, you copy it, you click copy. You come to ChatGPT. All you need to do is to paste it on ChatGPT. You can see, you can learn how to write good prompt. This is just a demo. It can be done in a better way. This is what I came up with. You can paste it here, open a bracket and close. Look at what I did. The one you copy from here, transform this sales pitch. You paste all the sales pitch about the product that you already copied. You paste it, transform to a great article that will rank on all major search engines online, such that it will convert for my social media audience, so that my social media audience can purchase this product. Use keywords and hashtags that will boost the ranking of this product. Make it great to beat other competitors. Note that my audience are Nigerians. Your audience could be worldwide. I'm just using this as a demo. When you are promoting other websites, I'm going to show you from the 15 top websites that will accept you, that will pay you in Nigeria, that will later show you the tone you use for the writing of the article using ChatGPT may be different. I will show you what to do. You can copy all of this, you click enter. Before you know it, ChatGPT is composing a great article for you already. This is the title, Why Choose HP Core i5 Laptop. Look at it. You can see detailed specifications, who needs this laptop. This is where you put your link. You will remove this one later, you put your link there. Why buy from us? This is the keyword that will rank this product, and this is the hashtag. All you need to do is to copy this article. For instance, you can come to your Quora platform. After you must have created your Quora, you can create a space. You can use your LinkedIn, you can use your Facebook, you can use your website. Don't forget that you have option to get a website for almost $3, 80% off. You see the link below the description of this video. So irrespective of your choice, for the purpose of this video, I will use Medium. For Medium, I just come to write. I will come to this place to copy the article, come to Medium, paste it. You can see this is the title and this is the body of the article promoting this product for HAWKIT customer. Don't forget, your objective is to promote this product, and each one you sell through your link on this platform, you get 20,000 naira. So what you need to do is to go and pick your link from HAWKIT. You come back to HAWKIT. You know where your link is. This is your link. You copy your link, you come back to Medium, you can write here, check it out here. You paste your link here, you click this link, you paste the link and you enter. You can as well bold it if you want. You can also upload your images here. You can see this is an image of the system we are promoting. You upload it, you click publish, and it can go viral while you make sales. And when you post this, it will always be on the platform and it continue to make sales all the time. It's not just one-off. What you need to do now to make the work more easier for you is to copy the whole of this article, and you come to ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT to rewrite it. Then you want to have another copy of this article. This is the prompt. So this is the rewritten one. This is the new one now. Is rewriting it. All you need to do is to copy this new article. You come to Quora. When you create your space, for instance, this is one of my space. You come down to post. You click post. You paste it here and you put your link. You come to LinkedIn. You do the same thing too. Now you can come to Facebook. You do the same thing too. You come to Twitter, you do the same thing too. That is how your sales pitch article will go viral. And when you choose a good product that people really like, it can go viral and you can continue to make repeated sales, which is 20,000 naira. Using this method, you have to note this important caution. Each platform has their rules. Like for LinkedIn, you cannot promote product that's crypto related. So ensure you study that before you start sharing and promoting your products and services for HAWKIT. Also, if you have a website, all you need to do is to write and paste your articles in a blog format, just like this. This is an article. In this article, I'm promoting Pons app, and you can see my link. When people click on my link, I make sales. So, and you can also use Google Gemini, Google version of ChatGPT, to write a great article that will rank on all major search engines online. And you can see these are top 15 best websites that you can promote their links, that accept and that will pay Nigerians, and that you can promote their links to earn online from home in Nigeria. Another way to share your link that you can employ is this. For instance, this is a good platform to promote, booking.com. You see the link below the description of this video to sign up if you are interested. This is a travel website, different places where people can lodge, flight, rental, and so on and so forth. You can write an article about this platform. All you need to do is to search. I search here is booking.com reliable. A lot of platform has already written about if booking.com is reliable. People are searching for this term to know if they can use it or not. All you need to do is to open up each of these articles that is already written. Look at them. All these are great articles. This is another article. This is another article. This is another article. You copy this article. You can come to Google Gemini, that is alternative to ChatGPT, which is similar, is free to use. You can see you paste the article here, you rewrite this article and make it better. You quote and unquote. You can see you can also write eliminate links, images, names of website, and use keywords that will rank. All you do is to click enter. You can see, look at it, it has rewritten the article for you. All you do is to copy and paste this article and distribute them on your social media platforms. You can also write a duplicate one. You copy the same prompt and everything on ChatGPT. You rewrite also. You see, it will rewrite it. I prefer using ChatGPT. It's going to give you a solid article that you'll be able to copy and paste. All you need to do is to copy this article. You paste it on either your LinkedIn, your Facebook, your Medium. After the article is posted, you can share them on your Facebook, on Twitter, on Pinterest. That will make it go viral. That is an alternative way to come up with a great article. Thank you. You see, you can extend this process to other websites that you are sure will pay you while you post their links. I've identified 15 websites and apps that I post their links on a regular basis and I earn with them all the time. This is why you need to watch this video. It's about 15 apps and websites that will pay you for posting their links all the time. Okay, you now know how to post links to make money online in Nigeria. All you need to do is to do it right. If you do it wrongly, your social media platforms may be penalized and your account deleted. So ensure you follow my lead as demonstrated in this video. Another thing you can do is to consider the websites and apps that will accept and pay Nigerians when you do simple tasks with them. And that is the next video that you need to watch. The best of those websites and apps, they are towards the end of that video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please like this video if this video has added value to you. Drop your comment and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.